Hey, welcome for the class of 2024. I'm Miss Huey and I'm going to be your homeroom advisor for the next 4 years. I have hopefully talked to each of you or your parents prior to you seeing this, but I just wanted to introduce myself and tell you a little bit about me before we start school. Well, if I can get my screen here to work. Technical difficulties always. So again, I'm Miss Huey, and next 4 years will be with me in the mornings starting at 8:45 in AL 78. If you see me around, I was up in AU 09. Don't go there, come downstairs, and it's the last room on the left before you go over to the middle school. A little bit about me. I am originally from the Atlanta area, but I've been in Calhoun for about the last 13 years. And it's my 3rd year teaching at Calhoun. Prior to that, I worked in the legal field for about 19 years, and I teach the law and public safety pathway here. So my family, I'm married, and I have 2 little girls that drive me crazy. They are a little crazy too. So Eloise is the oldest. She will be in 3rd grade, and little Susanna up there is in 1st grade. You guys will get to hear crazy stories that I can tell you. One of them's always doing TikToks, so maybe I'll share some with you because they crack me up, and I think everybody else should be able to laugh too. I went to the University of Georgia. I have a degree in criminal justice, so go Dogs, and come football season, hopefully we'll have it this year. I'm super excited because I miss football. So also a little tidbit, I am a certified instructor in threat pattern recognition and use of force, which is helpful with what we do in our classes. So a little bit of final information. You'll see on the screen is my contact email, and that is my cell phone number. So parents, if you need me during the day, feel free to text me. You can call me. I might not be able to answer right away, but we'll get back in touch with you. Also, you'll see a little QR code there, and if you will take a picture of that and complete a little bit of information, it's just so I can get to know you a little bit better before we start back to school, and that is August 12th. Schools will open at 8 o'clock, and homeroom will start at 8:45. So I look forward to seeing you. Talk to you later. Bye.